Top 10 Best Places to Visit in Kyrgyzstan. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, a country filled with natural beauty and hidden gems. Start your journey in the capital city of Bishkek, where you can explore museums, monuments, and indulge in the emerging food scene. Don't miss Alatu Square, where you can witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Visit the White House and the Russian Orthodox Cathedral for a taste of the city's history and culture. And don't forget to explore the vibrant Osh Bazaar and the beautiful parks where locals gather. Just outside of Bishkek lies Ala Archa National Park, a paradise for nature lovers. Hike through lush forests, admire icy waterfalls, and breathe in the fresh mountain air. With over 150 hiking trails, keep an eye out for the rare snow leopard and other wildlife that call this park home. Step back in time at Brno, an archaeological site that was once a medieval capital. Climb the winding stairway of the Brno Tower for panoramic views of the surrounding fields and the Tian Shan Mountains. Explore the open-air museum and discover the stories behind this historical place. Don't forget to visit the nearby Akbashim, an ancient settlement along the Silk Road. Experience the beauty of Songkol Lake, Kyrgyzstan's second-largest lake. Surrounded by stunning meadows and snow-capped mountains, this lake is a haven for nomadic shepherds in the summer. Take a horseback tour or hike through the Jumgul-2 mountain region for an unforgettable adventure. Camp in a traditional yurt and immerse yourself in the nomadic way of life. Discover the ancient Silk Road at Tash Rabat, a well-preserved caravanserai. Built in the 15th century, this historical monument served as an inn for merchants and travelers crossing the Tian Shan mountain range. 15th century. Marvel at the dark stone structure against the backdrop of the vast landscape. Explore the stone corridors and antechambers, and learn about the nomadic lifestyle of the locals. Venture to Karakol, a charming town nestled in the mountains. Explore the colorful Russian Orthodox Church and visit the Przewalski Museum to learn about the famous explorer. Don't miss the stunning Cesky Budejovice Valley, known for its red rock formations. And if you're up for an adventure, hike to the breathtaking Alakul Lake. Head to Osh, the second-largest city in Kyrgyzstan. Explore the bustling Osh Bazaar, filled with vibrant spices, fresh fruits, and local produce. Visit the sacred Suleiman Mountain, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and enjoy panoramic views of the city. Immerse yourself in the rich history and culture of Osh. Discover the beauty of the Cesky Budejovice Valley, famous for its red rock formations. Take a leisurely stroll through the valley and marvel at the unique landscape. Don't miss the iconic Seven Bulls and Broken Heart rock formations, which are a photographer's dream. Embark on a challenging hike to Alakul Lake, a hidden gem in the Tersky Alatu mountain range. This turquoise alpine lake is surrounded by snow-capped peaks and offers breathtaking views. Spend a night camping by the lake and witness the beauty of the starry night sky. End your Kyrgyzstan adventure in the picturesque Alay Valley. Explore the stunning landscapes, visit traditional Kyrgyz villages, and interact with the friendly locals. Take in the panoramic views of the Pamir Mountains and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this hidden gem. Kyrgyzstan is a country waiting to be explored.